Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ultra-X Omen here with me for a quick review because you guys requested me to get some budget knives and I got a bunch. So let's check this out really quickly. Made in China, very inexpensive knife, I think $25, something in that ballpark. 8.3 inches long overall, handles 4.8, G10 scales, fit and finish is decent. I mean, this is stamped, of course, it's not ideal, it's not the best fit and finish, there's some issues going on over here, but I mean, for the price, guys, we cannot complain, I think. 3.55 inch long, 440C or AUS 8 steel. It's a nice design. I mean, it's decent, guys. For the price, I can't really complain. There's this kind of like a Warncliffe going on, full belly, sharpening choil. It weighs in at 5.6 ounces, so it's not the lightest of them all. The grip is okay, just a little bit of hot spot brought up by this pocket clip over here, and it's a liner lock, of course, pretty thin liners and pretty thick scales. Action it's all right. I mean, runs on bearings and it has a very decent action overall. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.